Está saliendo mucho. Salió ayer y salió hoy.
Issued a flash flood warning for northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 5:30 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen during the last hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Miami, Hialeah, Miami Beach, Surfside, and Hallandale. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.
Pero por de aquí a